Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering and connecting the Xpression camera. Plug into USB and make sure battery 50% or use AC. Next, install the official app and drivers, then launch the program so the device is recognized. Once done, position the camera at eye level roughly 1 to 1.5 meters away and clear the background. This reduces tracking errors. Make sure the OS has camera and microphone permissions enabled. Then select the Xpression device in the app to proceed to calibration. You now calibrate tracking and tune settings. Start the face and eye calibration routine and follow on-screen markers slowly so the model learns your range of motion. Then adjust lighting, use soft, diffused front light and remove harsh backlight to improve keypoint detection. Once calibrated, open the Advanced tab to set smoothing and sensitivity. Reduce latency with lower smoothing, but accept more jitter, or increase smoothing for stable output. Also map avatar expressions and test motions to ensure accurate training. You finish by recording a series of short tests takes to confirm lip sync, facial fidelity, and avatar timing. Review playback and adjust mapping or smoothing as needed. When satisfied, export your session in the required format or enable the virtual camera output to stream into conferencing or production software. Then save a user profile so settings persist. If tracking drifts or performance falters, redo the calibration, wipe the lens, reduce background movement, and check USB bandwidth. This single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.